Today I will build 24 volt lithium-ion battery pack. The cell I use INR20700 by Dyson. They are a high drain cell, high C rating cells. They can deliver a big power without any problem. Good for high power inductive load, high power resistive load. In this module, 7 cells in series, 36 cell in parallel, total 252 cells. The capacity in amp hour is 91 amp hour, which is equivalent to 2.3 kilowatt hour capacity. So all cells are fully tested, their internal resistance, their capacity, their temperature and voltage drop test all is completely passed, and they are formed according to their data in the pack. So the battery will be very balanced. Using the single module, the reason is to reduce the resistance between each pack, between each cell internal resistance. Their resistance of connectivity will be reduced, so the pack will be very balanced. Very important explanation here. Before it's going to final spot welding, I parallel all negative and I put insulation between the positive, and then all positive parallel. So this pack will get very well balanced, because all cells are very similar capacity and similar internal resistance. So it is very good if the entire pack is equivalently balanced. So temporary I weld them the bus bars, so I will left that for at least 2 days, and after 2 days it will be ready for final spot welding the bus bars. So the BMS will do less equalization job. That is the best way in my experience to must balance them, top balance them, to parallel them before building the battery pack. So the pack performance will be very good. If the all cells are same manufacturer, similar capacities and similar internal resistance, that will be the best battery pack.